A hacker doesn't care whether you are a student, a company, or a hospital. If your system has a weakness, you are a target. And in 2026, cyber attacks are happening every single minute. Companies are losing millions. Employee accounts are getting stolen. Even small businesses are getting attacked. That is why cybersecurity has become one of the highest demand tech careers in the world. But here's the problem. Most beginners have no idea where to start. Too many certifications, too many job roles, too much confusion. So in this video, you'll learn what cybersecurity really is, the major cybersecurity career paths, which domain fits your personality, the exact beginner roadmap for 2026, and how to start with zero experience. By the end, you'll know the exact first step to take. Cybersecurity means protecting systems, devices, networks, and data from digital attacks. In simple language, it is digital protection. Every time you use online banking, shop online, open company email, save files to the cloud, use social media, cybersecurity is working in the background. Without cybersecurity, data gets stolen, websites get hacked, companies lose money, hospitals stop functioning, customer trust disappears, and attacks are becoming smarter every year. Hackers target passwords, employee accounts, financial data, cloud systems, mobile devices. Cybersecurity exists to stop those attacks before damage happens. Now, cybersecurity is built on three core
principles. Confidentiality. Only authorized people should access data. Integrity. Data should not be modified illegally. Availability. Systems should stay accessible when needed. These three principles form the foundation of cybersecurity. You'll also hear terms like threats, vulnerabilities, risk. A threat is a possible attack. A vulnerability is a weakness. Risk is the potential damage. Example: weak passwords are vulnerabilities. Hackers are threats. Account takeover is the risk. That is cybersecurity in real life. But cybersecurity is not one single job, and choosing the wrong path wastes time fast. So let's break down the major cybersecurity domains. Number 1, network security. Network security focuses on protecting networks and systems from unauthorized access. Professionals secure routers, firewalls, servers, internet traffic. Typical work includes monitoring traffic, blocking suspicious activity, configuring firewalls, securing company networks. This field fits people who enjoy technical systems, like troubleshooting, prefer infrastructure work. Typical roles: network security analyst, security administrator, security engineer. Number 2,
Cloud security. Modern businesses run on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud security focuses on protecting cloud applications and data. Tasks include managing user access, securing cloud storage, monitoring cloud activity, preventing unauthorized access. This is one of the fastest growing cybersecurity fields in 2026. Best for people who like modern technologies, enjoy automation, want future-focused skills. Typical roles: cloud security engineer, IAM specialist, cloud security analyst. Number 3, SOC Blue Team. SOC stands for Security Operations Center. This is the defensive side of cybersecurity. Blue teams monitor systems and respond to attacks. Think of them as digital security guards. Daily tasks include monitoring alerts, investigating suspicious activity, responding to incidents, detecting threats. This path fits people who stay calm under pressure, enjoy analysis, like problem solving. Typical roles: SOC analyst, incident responder, threat hunter. Number 4, ethical hacking red team. This is the offensive side of cybersecurity. Ethical hackers legally test systems to find weaknesses before criminals do. They simulate real attacks. Tasks include penetration testing, vulnerability assessments, exploit testing, security testing. This path fits people who love hands-on work, enjoy deep technical learning, like solving challenges. Typical roles: ethical hacker,
penetration tester, red team operator. Now, here's where most beginners make a mistake. They chase certifications before building skills. That usually leads to confusion and burnout. So here's the smarter roadmap.
The beginner stage. Your first goal is not hacking. Your first goal is understanding technology. Start with networking basics, operating systems, security fundamentals, how attacks work, basic command line skills. A strong beginner roadmap looks like this. Month 1-2, learn computer fundamentals and networking basics. Understand IP addresses, routers, DNS, operating systems, basic troubleshooting. Month 3-4, learn cybersecurity fundamentals. Focus on malware, phishing, password attacks, social engineering, security concepts. Month 5-6, start building real cybersecurity skills through hands-on practice. Use virtual machines to create safe practice environments. Security tools like Wireshark, Nmap, and basic SIEM platforms. Simulated attack environments to understand how threats work. Linux and command line practice for system management and troubleshooting. Practice tasks like detecting suspicious network traffic, scanning systems for vulnerabilities, analyzing phishing attempts, managing user permissions, monitoring security alerts. At this stage, one of the best beginner certifications is CompTIA Security Plus. Why? Because it helps you understand network security, threat detection, access control, risk management, security operations. Entry-level roles at this stage include IT support, junior SOC analyst, security technician, help desk support.
Intermediate stage. Now you specialize. Choose one direction. Cloud security, SOC, ethical hacking, governance and compliance, security engineering. Focus on skills employers look for. SIEM tools and log analysis, cloud security platforms, vulnerability assessment and management, Python or Bash scripting basics, incident detection and response. Do not stay stuck in theory. At this stage, hands-on experience separates beginners from professionals. Advanced stage. Now you focus on expertise. This includes threat hunting, malware analysis, advanced cloud defense, red teaming, security architecture. At this level, experience becomes more important than certifications alone. So, what is the best way to start if you are completely new? Here's the practical answer. uCertify offers beginner-friendly training course with interactive lessons, gamified test prep, hands-on labs, and AI-powered learning support. You can start with courses like Cybersecurity Essentials, Fundamentals of Information Security, CompTIA Security Plus. Practice real cybersecurity tasks, build practical skills, and prepare for industry certifications, all in one learning platform. Cybersecurity is one of the most important skills in modern technology. Every company needs it. Every industry depends on it. And in 2026, the demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals will continue growing. The key is simple. Start with fundamentals. Build hands-on skills. Stay consistent.
Do not try to learn everything at once. Pick one path, learn step by step, keep practicing. If you want more cybersecurity roadmaps, certification guides, and beginner-friendly IT training, subscribe to the channel and comment below which cybersecurity path interests you most.